Hi, and welcome back. In the previous step, I showed you how to set up environment variables in preparation for installation of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G, which I'll refer to OBIEE 11G going forward. Now, for us to be able to install the Loopback Adapter, we will have to follow instructions as outlined here. So we will right-click on my computer, we will select System Properties, Device Manager, then Network Adapter. These instructions outlined here are for Windows 7 machine. These steps are necessarily straightforward on a Windows 10 machine. All you have to do is you right-click on your Start menu, then you choose Device Manager. Then once the Device Manager window comes up, you will go ahead and locate Network Adapters, and then Actions, then click Add Legacy Hardware, then click Next. Then at this point, do not choose the recommended option, change it to the advanced option, which is install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Then click Next. Then you will scroll down to Network Adapters. Then you click Next. The system is retrieving a list of all devices. So you will choose Microsoft. You scroll down. Select Loopback Adapter. Then you click Next. And then you click Next. And Finish. After clicking Finish, we want to make sure that the Loopback Adapter was successfully installed. So we'll go back to the Device Manager screen, expand Network Adapters, and you will notice that we have the third item here, which is a Loopback Adapter. Once we verified that the Loopback Adapter has been successfully installed, the following steps will show you how to set up a static IP address. So we will close the Device Manager window, and then you go and locate your internet access wireless access point. Right click on it and open Network and Sharing Center. On the Network and Sharing Center, you want to go to Change Adapter Settings. Then on the Adapter Settings, you want to locate the Loopback Adapter. Once we choose the Loopback Adapter, then you right click on it, and then you go to Properties. On the Internet 2 Properties window, you want to uncheck every item that's selected here, but leave the Internet Protocol 4 and Internet Protocol 6. Every other item should be unchecked. Then you go and select Internet Protocol 4 and you click on Properties. Once you click on Properties, then you select Use the following IP address. This is where we set the static IP address. So we'll go ahead and type 10, 10, 10, 10. Then here we will type the 255 in all 3, and then we'll leave the 0 in there. And these options can be left blank, and then you click OK. Okay. After setting the static IP address, go ahead and close this window. And the next step is to now modify the host file and then set the same static IP address in the host file. You access the host file by browsing to the C drive. Then you locate the option Windows. Then you look for a file System32. Then drivers. Then you will locate etc. Then you want to modify the host file. So you will copy the host file. You can copy it on your desktop and paste it. And then once the host file is open, you go ahead and type in the static IP address and the computer name. And you click on File, Save, and then close the host file. Then you go back again to the desktop, copy the host file, and we go back to the C drive, System 32, Windows, System 32, drivers, etc., and paste it in this location. There will be a warning asking us if we want to replace the file in the destination. Yes, we want to replace the file in the destination. And we'll continue. And that's how the host file is modified. We can open it to verify that the change that we made has been saved. Now, to verify that the change that we made to the host file was successfully registered in the computer's registry, what we want to do is to ping our computer, and we will open the command prompt, and then we want to ping the local host, which is this computer I'm working with. If every reply comes back without any errors or no items lost, then it means your changes to the host file were successful. We'll also ping the static IP address, and if we receive replies without any errors, then we're comfortable that all the installation steps we did were successful. So you will notice that there were no items lost. So at this point, we're comfortable that everything has been installed correctly in relation to the Loopback Adapter. And the next part of the Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G installation will be to show you how to install the Oracle Database 11G. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you how to install the Oracle Database.